part of what I like about this hobby, or job should I say, is jumping between the centuries and decades. And 2 minutes ago I was videoing an 1862 piece of Ashworth sandstone, and here we are through to probably 1962, or certainly 1950s, through to the 1960s, with this very easily to recognise flower basket B204 design from Aynsley. Classic Aynsley, mid-century shaped teacup, which is a D shape, as you can see, with a little bit of wasting here coming out to a bulbous upper rim, indent scallop rim with lovely thick gilt decoration, and again the decorators have outlined the detailing in that scroll or rat tail curl on the handle coming through with lineage going all the way down. Little pedestal foot, as you can see, again demarcated beautifully with gilt. Nice green mid-century Aynsley crown mark, England bone china. Not particularly easy to read that B204 on there, but it's clearer on some of the flatware pieces. Beautifully decorated little saucer with the flower basket in the central well. Again, it's got this very characteristic almost deco-esque rolling yellow, black and green rim with little almost picket fence design on it. Again, an irregular scallop trim on there, and the matching Aynsley China marks. Let's just get that in focus there. You can much more clearly see the B204 on there. And that's all sitting in these variations on a 6.25 inch small side plate. We have got, I think, some options coming on these trios with the larger of the side plates that they made, and those are being listed separately. So we have got two options on these trios. These ones with 6.25 inch side plates, and an option to take the same cup and saucer but with a larger side plate. Let me show you the reverse on that. Again, matching Aynsley green crown and banner marks with B204. Beautiful condition, absolutely mint. There is no condition warnings on any of these pieces, absolutely as they came out of the production line at Aynsley back in the 1950s and 60s. Flower basket, B204 trios, all the measurements, pricings and any further details that you'll need on these are on the website listing, and we'll try and pop a link in the description from YouTube taking you back through to the website so you can find out all those and make your decision whether these are right for your collection. Thanks for watching.